Hello everyone, my name is Adeliani and my student ID is 0903 1282227114. I am an information system student in my 8th semester.
Hi, my name is Dani and my student ID is 0509 7033. Today, we're going to perform a conversation for our English assessment based on past 8 regarding the Comstock load mining operation.
Hello Dani, what are you doing?
Hello Adele, I'm just reviewing our material for the English assessment. What about you?
I'm doing the same. By the way, have you had a chance to read passage 8 yet? It's about the mining operation on the Comstock load.
Yes, I have. It's quite intense how the miner had to deal with massive water flooding. Is it? Is it?
It really is. But what surprised it mean most was the water wasn't just cold. It was extremely hot.
That's right. The next mention, it's reached 6 for dangerous Celsius in some place. That is incredible dangerous.
I can't imagine working in that it. Geologically, why do you think the water was that hot?
Well, it implied there was a large mass of hot igneous rock beneath the Comstock lode that was still active.
So even though it was dangerous, it prone the more mineralization was likely happening deep down.
Exactly. But for a long time, that near scalding water made it impossible to mine below the 1,000-meter level.
It's heartbreaking to read that many miners were killed because of those conditions.
True, no fewer than 53 miners died in just 22-month period, ending in May 1877.
Did they mostly die from falling into the water, or was it something else?
But some fell indirectly, while others died from overexertion due to very high temperature in the galleries.
To solve this, they decided to dig a 6 kilometer long tunnel, right? The one called the Sutro Tunnel.
Yes, the Sutro tunnel was designed to drain and ventilate the upper part of the mine working.
I read that it took many years of extremely hard work to complete that project.
It did face so many physical obstacles and even financial crises along the way.
The construction is even described as legendary and heroic in the passage.
Correct. It's compared to the engineering involved in laying the first transcontinental railway across the United States.
That's a massive comparison. It shows how significant the achievement was for that time.
In that is a great example how people had to innovate to overcome natural disaster in industry.
Do you think the minerals they found were worth all that legendary effort?
Technically, yes, but the human cost mentioned in the next makes it very dark part of it.
I agree. Working in such high temperatures sounds like a nightmare for any worker.
It currently does modern mining must be so much safer compared to Comstock Lot era.
Definitely. I'm glad they eventually finished the tunnel to help with the ventilation.
Me too. It's fascinating how geological heat can both create mineral and stop people from getting them.
This passage really gives a clear picture of the struggles in early engineering.
It does. It's not just about meaning. It's about presence against the element.
Anyway, I think we have covered all the major points from the text, Danny. I should probably head to my next class now.
I agree, Adele. This was a very insightful conversation. Let's talk more about other passengers later. See you around.
See you, Danny. The conclusion of our discussion for today assessment. We hope this conversation provides a clear explanation of passage 8.
Thank you very much for your time and for reviewing our text, sir. We hope you have a wonderful day.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.